In this video, I'll show you how to install the Snapchat app on Windows 11. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. Snapchat is a very popular social media platform, and you may want to run it on your computer to utilize a bigger screen and multitask without using your phone. First, on your desktop, click on the Start menu and search for Microsoft Store, and click Open. Once the store is open, go to the search bar at the top, type in Snapchat, and press Enter. From the search results, select the first option, which is the official Snapchat app. Now, simply click the Get button and give it a moment to download and install. Once the installation is complete, open your Start menu again, search for Snapchat, and click Open to launch the app. A prompt might appear asking to pin Snapchat to your taskbar or Start menu. For this demonstration, I'll select Don't Allow, and that's all there is to it. You now have the official Snapchat app fully working on your Windows 11 machine.